trigonometric, cos 4a, cos 22a, then 2 cos square 2a minus 1, 2 cos twice a whole square minus 1, 2 cos twice is 0, 2 cos square a minus 1, whole square minus 1, 2 cos square a minus into 2 cos square a into 1 plus 1 square minus 1, 2 into 4 cos to the 4a minus 4 cos square plus 1, 8 cos to the 4a minus 8 cos square plus 1 RSS, and please subscribe me all of you progressive mind civilization. Realize this and subscribe me. Thank you very much all of you progressive mind civilization. I'm always grateful to you. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me.